Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display article or post in grid layout in blog page using plugin in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Now in search plugin, write event add-ons for Elementor. So this is plugin event add-ons for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see event add-ons, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see different widgets and then you see blog enable. Now go to Elementor page, refresh the page. On left side you see search widget, so write a blog and then you see blog widget, so drag and drop here like this. Now you see widget edit. On left side you see content style advanced and then you see listing option, column 1 to 3, so you can select according to your requirement, and then you see blog limit, so you can set 6, order descending, order by date. Now you see multiple option and then you see pagination enable. Now you see show and then you see meta option, so click on it, image, date, category, comment, alignment, and then click on style. Scroll down, you see title, then you see typography, color scheme, so you can set according to your requirement, and then click on update. Now update done, go to blog page and refresh the page. Now you see article post in grid layout using plugin in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.